Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2007 Honda VTX1300C that I want to show you. It's a pretty slick bike. I'm thinking that's custom paint job on there. It's a purple paint. Got the tan colored solo seat. Pretty cool combination. It's 1300cc liquid cooled V-twin with the 5-speed, has forward mount foot controls, engine guard here with the fold out highway pegs. It's pretty slick. It's a shaft drive bike. Got a good tire on the back. Upgraded with Vance & Hines exhaust, chrome shocks. And we put a brand new tire up here on the front for you. I saw these little pieces had just a little bit of rust on them, but I think that'd probably come off with some steel wool. There's a couple of little nicks in the little rock pecks in the paint there on the tank. So a little touch up or two on there. Whoever painted it did a pretty good job, but it does have a couple of little spots in the paint. A little spot right there. This bike's got 25,674 miles on it. Cranks right up, runs real good. No engine noise or smoke or any of that business. Sounds good with those Vance & Hines long shots on it. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151 and they can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. Forgot to take the green tag off of it. Kind of sticks out in the video. Let's see if I can get that off there with one hand. There we go. Really a pretty slick bike. 2007 model. Would qualify for some financing and extended warranties. It's been through our shop, service, safety checked and inspected, so it's ready to ride. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.